Some people were asking about BYDDF, BYD. Uh, this is pulled back, but not really. I think that's one of the weird things about BYD is that, man, a lot of the times the first minute there will be some weird trade that will be way down or way above, and then it never trades anywhere close to that again. So it looks like it's off highs. No, it's not really. It doesn't, to me, I just sort of ignore the first minute, whatever. Either way, finally getting above the 50-day line. I didn't see any news. It's growing really well. It's, it's not, it will probably pass up Tesla in all electric BEVs this year. I mean, in the Q4. So there's positive news out there. Its deliveries were strong. Might have 500,000 all electric BEVs this quarter, close to 1 million total sales. So it's moving, but it is definitely one that has not really moved that much this year. And not like Tesla, not like Li Auto and these others. It's done okay, but it hasn't made that big move. So I don't really have a whole lot else on that front. But Arnie, I'm not sure this is something that you normally go to, but Toyota, they're having a positive session on maybe getting a boost from the Ford strike. Come on.
Yeah, you're starting to see that with Toyota, the other stock, ST.
Stellantis.
Stellantis.
Stellantis
There
is
we
a
go.
different thing. Stellantis, I would just say, is this: Stellantis has Chrysler, it has Jeep, so it's affected by the strike, but it's also has Europe. It's not as
Yeah,
affected, whereas
but
Ford is so, and it's not in China. If you want to be, if you were thinking about, I would like to be an automaker that isn't in China, which is just a bloodbath especially for all foreign automakers right now. I mean, nobody except for Tesla is doing well, and even Tesla's not doing great in China right now. It's so tough. So Stellantis isn't really in that market, but yeah, Stellantis looks pretty good.
was very close to it.
Sorry, no.
Let's go back to Toyota, okay? But it is, prices going up. There's been a strike. Obviously, they're going to take full advantage of it with all these strikes going on. There's going to be a lot of speculation on that. We'll see. I have a tendency to be cautious when it comes to speculating how they're going to react to everything. So it's just kind of like, is it a knee jerk? It's coming straight up from the bottom. It did retest the pivot price, which is a good thing. But I think Toyota is a very, very smart company. They've been doing this for a while, and they know how to take advantage of things like this. So I definitely keep this on a watch list. If you go to the weekly chart, it's day by day. It pulled back. I'd like to see a base being formed here before I do anything else per se. But pulled back to the 10-week, found support, which is great. Had that nice reversal. So I'd like to see, base out, consolidate, form the right side of a base possibly, and see where it goes from there.
And this does feel like, though, that a stock that, buying it on a breakout isn't necessarily the best, because it has had some issues here. I mean, the 50-day line, 10-week line seems to have been a better place of late, though that's pretty straight up, sort of straight down, straight up. But it'd be nice to see it calm down for a little while.